And that right there is going to be an awesome pork marinade. Coat all the sides. Cover, refrigerate, get the grill going. Yeah, that's going to be good. American cherry. There's the marinated pork a couple hours later. That marinated has penetrated. It's changed color. Looking really, really good. I got a really hot hardwood grill here, and it's ready to go. I'm going to sear on this side and slow cook on this side. American cherry wood chips. That's going to be the flavor right there. So we just remove part of the grill, add a few chips. And that is the sear I'm looking for right there. And that's the pork after about 45 minutes. Okay, just checking the largest piece of the roast pork here. It's been slow cooking now. Added a water pan, a little bit of moisture, and man, this is going to be tender. It did reach 160 degrees, and the main test is will it shred and pull right apart. You can see that. That's what I'm looking for right there. Okay? It's got the shred. It's got the flavor. Cherry smoke. Juice is amazing. Wow! The pork picked up an amazing flavor, and you can see the red rings around the perimeter of it there. That's the smoky flavor right there. Daikon radish with a sweet and tangy black sesame vinaigrette. Products in stock only at chefdepot.com.